Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've forgotten your Starling Bank password or passcode, don't worry, you can reset it easily. First, open the Starling Bank app on your phone. Next, once it's open, click on Get Started and then click on Login as Return Code and tap on the option that says Forgot Password or Need Help Logging In. This will take you to the recovery process. You will be asked to verify your identity with your registered phone number or email. Then follow the instructions and enter the verification code that was sent to you. After verification, you will be able to create a new password. Make sure choosing a strong and secure code that is easy for you to remember. Once done, use the new passcode to log in into your account. If you face any issues, restart the app and try again or follow on the screen help options. Now your Starling Bank issue should be fixed. Thanks for watching.